Kyrtong kaseng Voice of the People Party uba Ricky Aegis Syngkon ula jok Kput na Shillong Parliamentary seat da keberpenrem yo MP kaseng Congress uba Vincent Pala. Kasneng National People's Party kalarem habaro artli kishuki na katura bat na Shillong. Agajuk kapor ka jingmi na kanek election kala pensyayong hingan ya ke sorkar MDA namar habaro artli kishuki la job daki parti kaliang persya haba keren lengba ke Twitter u Presiden ke NPP badu minti rang ba ke jelau Konrad Sangma kala pediang ya ke jing syarem ki Kyrtong ke parti da ke boong. Ngi pediang da ke jing sngoret bat ngi burom ya ke rai jong upait ba bat ngi kitbok kitruang yu saleng e Sangma bat yu ba Ricky Andrew J. Syngkon.
As you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party and we will follow that vision. When we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we would be sitting together and we will work out on a priority basis. So, which of those issues would be taken up? That we will let you all know once, as a party, we sit and take a decision.